Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use the stem vintage element for your design in Canva. So here I've already opened a blank design and I want to add the stem vintage into my design. So just click on the plus icon at the bottom and search for the stem vintage under the elements category. Click on the search elements box at the top, then type in stem vintage. Click on search. Okay, so here click on the graphics, click on see all, and you can just find the stem that you want to use to add it to your design. Click on the stem and put it anywhere you like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.